Alright, I'm getting my rotisserie ready. I have a long piece of meat. Would you say it's a London broil kind of thing?
Right.
It's Memorial Day. I'm going to use my charcoal chimney today. Remember my rotisserie from last week? My attachment for my old charcoal grill? Well, today I'm using a chimney. I like the chimney. Get some newspaper or some Harbor Freight magazines, crumble them up. Newspaper works best, but who buys newspapers anymore? Paper goes in there. That's all you need. Pour some charcoal in that chimney. About that much. About half. So I'm going to go low and slow on that meat. Get a match or something to light that paper. In the meantime, we got hot dogs on this side. Got propane over here. Those hot dogs are just to keep me going until this roast is ready. And you also have ribs and something up there.
Yeah, we're having ribs.
What is that, a slow cooker?
Rotisserie multi-cooker. Slow cooking all day.
This is why one time the cops came, because I had so much smoke coming out of here. And some crazy neighbors called the cops. In about 5 minutes, it's going to be flaming charcoal. Flaming! What?
It's flaming already.
No, it's flaming to the top. The paper got to burn and lights the charcoal. That's the easiest way to light charcoal without fluid or what did I use last week? The loofah lighter. Okay, so I'll be back when my charcoal's hot. And the thing is, what, you
I'm
missed?
just going to show that later because it was too close. Show it.
The people who watched last week saw this. Loofah lighter. But today I'm using this chimney. Let me go get my meat on a stick. And I'll show you right before I put it on. Alright, about 5 minutes and your charcoal's ready. If you buy a cheap one of these chimneys, don't, because I had a cheap one and the handle broke off while it was full of charcoal and that wasn't good. So spend a little money, probably still less than $20. There's my charcoal rake. Here it is. Oh, where's that piece of meat? Oh, it's not over there. I'm gonna put a pan down in the middle here. Don't know if I really need a pan, but I'm gonna put a pan down there. Everybody said I should have made gravy last week, right, boys? What kind of gravy we gonna get out of this one? Maybe not.
Show us.
All right, here's my
Show us.
2 3/4 pound. I can't read.
2 1/3 pounds.
2 1/3 pounds for $19.10.
And it's called, give me the right way. It's called Top Round London Broil.
Oh, broil.
USDA prime beef round.
Cut that open, put it on my rotisserie. Charcoal's good. Charcoal's good.
There's any blood on that.
Yeah, put this back here. Stick this bit through the end. Ah, yes.
Come on, hold it so we can see. There we go.
Nice picnic roast. Should I sprinkle some rub on there while it's spinning around? See that? Center it. Put your forks down. Ah, the forks are just going to hold it there. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. Bring it over here. Oh. slide this over here. There, a little bit more. Perfect. Let me move this over a little bit so it's centered. This is gonna be a nice piece of meat. That's it. Turn the switch on. Look. Oh, caveman. I'll sprinkle some rub on there, right? Low and slow. Well, we got hot dogs to eat on. Oh, we're waiting, huh? Wanna watch me eat a hot dog quick? While I keep you updated on this? All right, close it up. Until I get the rub out. Weber, roasted garlic and herb rub while it's spinning. This is gonna be supper? This might take a couple hours, huh? I hope.
It's one of those all-day eat things.
Yeah.
We got the hot dogs now. We got ribs in 4 hours.
Oh boy.
And we have that whenever.
Yeah. That smells so good.
It does smell good. You can smell it hitting the charcoal. Garlic.
This is a universal rotisserie kit that I got. I made it fit my grill, and you can do that too. It doesn't have to be charcoal, it could be gas. You could make a pile of blocks and throw some charcoal under there and put a rotisserie around it. Huh? Think about a hot dog while I'm here. All right. I'll let you see it through the process. Okay? Hope you're having fun. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes, and it sure looks good. Stop the rotisserie, take temperature. $158. We want like 145 for it to be pinkish. $154. That's good. Now I'm going to take it off of here, put it on my cutting board and let it rest for a little while. The temperature will also rise as it's resting. The spit is hot right now. Remember, it wasn't hot when we started, but it's hot now. Isn't that nice? Rotisserie. Roll that rub on there. Can I? Oh boy. That's caramelized and flavorful. What time are your ribs going to be done?
Another 2 hours.
Oh my gosh, we ain't going to wait for that, huh?
We're going to have a snack now? It is a holiday.
I'm going to take this inside in the air conditioning for me. I'll let it rest 15 minutes and cut it. So you can see it. Then we'll eat it later with the ribs too. I'll show you the ribs. You want to see the ribs? You're making a video of those ribs, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, you get to see it all.
I'll give you a peek over the ribs.
Oh.
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 They're just cooking with some rub on right now.
What is that? Kosori what? Multi-cooker. Right? Mm-hmm. Nice. What are you going to do? Put some sauce on it or what?
Yeah. In another hour, I'm going to put on some Sweet Baby Ray's. Right now they have a new rub you haven't tried yet. You know what it's called?
Nope.
Foreplay.
Oh. Did I get that in the mail?
No.
No?
No, I bought it.
All right. I want to taste my, what was that I just cooked on a...
Your London broil?
Oh, and the rotisserie. Why do I keep forgetting it? It's right here.
So we'll have this later on. Let's check out your rotisserie right now.
Oof.
It's good.
Yeah. Oh boy, look at it. Nice. Who wants a bite?
I want to wait.
How should I cut it?
Start at the end. You cut on an angle, remember? This
Yeah. You want it this end or here?
right there.
It smells so good. You like?
Whoa.
Is this beef?
Yeah. Oh, it's juicy. Look at the juice running. Oh, that's perfect.
Rotisserie. Nice.
Too close to you. Good.
It's good. All right. So should I let this rest a little more until yours are done? And we'll have a real meat picnic.
Okay.
Look at that. So good. All right, try that on your rotisserie. Be back soon. All right, her food is done now. And I think it's better than mine. You saw mine, right? I took a couple bites.
Well, that was very tasty.
And she got boneless ribs.
Okay, we got boneless ribs.
I can make a rib out of this.
Yeah, check out this plate.
Oh,
We have the onions that I cooked it on the bottom. And it's rubbed with some nice spicy rub. And then we put barbecue sauce on top. So
and don't forget about mine.
they're all
Got
good.
that rotisserie hole in there.
They're all good. Well, we just wanted to show you what what we came up with today. So
It's good, and you made that in the the Kosori multi-cooker,
yep,
wasn't
the
it?
multi-cooker. We'll give you the links for that too.
And I'll put a link to her video to these ribs. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching. What did I do? Oh, I rotisserie
A London broil.
Why did I forget?
I don't know.
Because I ate too much meat. Have a nice day, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you. This is better than mine.